Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling developer options and preparing connectivity. First, tap build number 7 times. This unlocks developer options. Once done, enable USB debugging so ADB can pair initially. You need that authorized connection. Also, make sure the phone and your computer share the same Wi-Fi network and record the device IP address from Wi-Fi details. This IP is how ADB will later reach your phone over the network. These steps are essential because wireless debugging requires an authorized ADB set. Now turn on wireless debugging inside developer options and accept the permission prompts. This exposes a pairing interface. Next, choose a pairing method. Pairing code or QR code are available on modern Android. Use whichever your computer can handle. On your PC, run the ADB pair command with the device IP and port that the phone shows, then enter the displayed pairing code when prompted. This establishes a secure, temporary trust so ADB can create a remote debugging session without a USB cable. Once paired, complete the process by running a DB Connect with the same IP, port, then verify the device shows as connected in ADB devices. If the connection doesn't succeed, restart wireless debugging on the phone, toggle Wi-Fi, and rerun the pairing flow. Make sure your computer's firewall or VPN isn't blocking the ADB port. For stability, assign a static IP or a DHCP reservation to the phone so the IP and port remain consistent. This prevents repeated pairing and keeps your workflow smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.